Okay, let's do this song. We Are Between. That's the chorus. E minor. I'm playing E minor 7 here, but you could just play regular E minor. It's fine. B minor. A. G. And that just repeats. Yeah, between earth and sky. Okay, and that's the rhythm. Yeah, this is the riff that's played on the background. It's just more of a rhythmic thing. So it's all played here in the B minor pentatonic. Oh, that it's played at the intro and the end. It's like a. And we're just playing again on the A string mostly. Come for the final note on fret 7 of the low E. The second time around they go to this note, and then the third time around they go. Okay, that's We Are Between by Manas Baus for guitar. Thanks for watching. Guitar. Thanks for watching. We Are Between by for guitar. Thanks for watching. We Are Guitar. Thanks for watching. Bye.